And as I always promise, the practical part. So how do we train a center? First of all, it's a feeling all the time. So for me, it was the development of a certain time, dancing my routines, constantly paying attention to it. It's like, this is why I have those subjects, right? It's not just you did it one lesson and you forgot. You actually have to work on all of them for extensive period of time. So number one here, number 8, like infinite loop, right? So I'm gonna not just shift my weight now and just wiggle the body. I wanna try to rotate those hips around my center, then shift my weight with that center, move around the center, again, shift with my center. So see, I'm not falling off. I am moving to the side, then moving around, twisting around my center, moving to the side, twisting around my center, moving to the side, twisting around my center. That you should do. You'll feel lots of toning in your legs, in your back, twisting part in your body. That's a lot. So if you don't feel any of it, no, not good. Means something, again, you are letting go and the center going to be off. It's a lot of work. So there's a lot of squeezing in my legs. There's a lot of body action happening in terms of keeping it all together, not letting it all to fall apart. And you see I'm starting to even breathe harder because here, 1 and 2 and 3. So see, I'm doing this from my center versus you see people do that a lot. That's not good. So again, together, see, I'm holding my center, giving a tone to my body here, here. Starting to use my lines, my back. So that goes, everything goes through the center. That's exercise number 1. Again, do it for 2-3 minutes. That's going to be good. You're going to feel sweaty. Number 2 is, second exercise here is doing a crossover, because every time we walk into crossover, very often we are falling. Let me go back. We are falling actually behind. So what I want you to do is, again, we're going to go to one side. You're going to move close to neutral through the center. And then when you go, you're going to twist and you're going to cross your foot around the center. So second side will twist as well. So now we literally, I'm calling it twisting a coin, right? So where's my coin? Twisting a coin when you use both of your fingers to do that twist. So when we're doing it around with a feeling that I'm doing it around my center. So I'm here. I have a tone in my body. I'm gonna close here and gonna continue do it around my center versus fall apart. So when I do it all in one motion, I'm here. See, I did it through the center. With my center, around my center, versus, so you understand, it goes here. So versus you're falling out, right? Now, obviously there's a driving leg, and this is what makes the movement, much more. So my driving leg, my standing leg, is the right one, and when I go to the side, I'm pushing it back. So it's a lot of pressure, a lot of weight in that leg. So I'm falling today. So when I'm here, twisting, see, going through neutral, pushing my back leg, rotating around the center. Do this exercise for quite a bit, and do it for both sides, because one side gonna feel much better than another, and this is gonna be just your introduction to feeling the center. Then when you come to your lessons, with whoever you work, when you come to your lessons, you can start paying attention to where you are. And when you're simply doing the walk and then you're in that walking position and you start to fall, it's meaning one side is disengaged. It helped me a lot throughout my career, and we always think about the center.